Hi, it's Vias Tarot. Hello Pisces placements. This is your love reading ngayong September. Pagdating sa new person na nagugustuhan mo and sa person on your mind. Okay? Yeah, the person on your mind. Yung mga may nangyari ng connection, yan, mga ganyan, okay? So, syempre, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay? So, yeah. And yes, don't forget to follow them. Okay? And syempre, yung may mga tanong pagdating sa ating mga protection protection sa mga evil eye. Yan, mga ganyan. Okay? Na binabato. Yan. Message lang kayo. Okay? So, evil eye, love bracelet, granter, and doon sa ating bagong item for cleansing. Okay? So, Pisces, let's start. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Pisces, the new person. Okay. You're eyeing. Yung taong nakakuha ng iyong atensyon. Okay, let's see. Anong meron? How do you see this person, Pisces? How do you view them? Let's see. How do you view this new person, Pisces? The world. Some of you, this is so specific. Pwedeng nakita mo lang to through online. Okay, yeah, you find this person through online. What's with this world? The Magician in reverse. Mahirap i-reach out. Mahirap makausap. Parang ganun. Okay. Some of you, you find this person na pwedeng hindi ganoon katiwa-tiwala. Okay? Why the Magician in reverse? Yeah, the Tower. Hindi ka ganoon masyadong nag-expect ng malaki sa kanya. Pero yes, nakukuha niya yung attention mo. Maybe, may kanya-kayong dahilan. May kanya-kanya kayong dahilan kung bakit nakukuha ng taong to yung attention mo. Okay? We have here Virgo and Scorpio. Yeah, this could be any sign. Okay, so yeah. How this new person views you? How do they view you? How do they see you? Okay, anong tingin sa'yo ng taong to, Pisces? Itong new person, anong tingin niya sa'yo? The Ace of Pentacles. Okay. They find you, sabihin natin, always present, available. Okay? Pwedeng nabibigyan mo ng andun yung word na charming. Okay? Charming. O, diba? Anyway, nabubuo mo ang araw ng taong to. Parang ganon. Okay. Yeah, the King of Wands in reverse. Some of you interested sa iyo tong taong to, okay? Pero sa totoo lang hindi ka nakikita ng taong to na maganda, gwapo, no? Hindi ka niya nakikita ang ganon. Okay? Andun yung attention niya sa iyo. Nakuha mo yung attention din ng taong to. Yeah, okay? And the Two of Pentacles here. Kaya feeling mo na sabihin nating hindi sila ganon ka-open. Yeah, the Magician in reversed. Okay, may mga tinatago, may mga pagmamanipula kang nakikita, I guess, or napapansin sa kanya. Okay? Some of you, this person, sabihin nating they find you someone na pwedeng practical or may pera. Parang ganun, ha? Be careful. Be careful. You're always present or available for them. Yeah. Okay. Meron pang ibinubulong dito pero hindi ko makuha kung ano. This person, pwedeng tingin niya sa'yo is hindi ka rin gano'n ka-interesado pagdating sa kanya. Maybe, yung distance, ang isang dahilan kung bakit ganyan. Okay? Yung distansya. Some of you, may distansya eh. The world is here. Okay? So, maybe, the communication is hindi ganon ka-okay or something like, yun nga, mahirap i-reach out. Anyway, let's see, ano ba ang emosyon nito for you, Pisces? What is their true emotion pagdating sa'yo? The Four of Cups in reversed. Why is that? The Queen of Cups. Yeah. Pero the Queen of Swords is here. Actually, ang nakakuha ko pagdating sa emosyon ng taong to, nandyan, pero hindi nila talagang ini-express. Okay? They see you as the Ace of Pentacles. May potential. Parang ganon. Okay? Some of you, nababaitan sa'yo to. Nababaitan siya sa'yo. They have feelings for you, actually. Okay? They have feelings. Let's see. Anong next action niya? Anong next action ng taong to? Yeah, the Seven of Swords in reverse. So, I think, in general, may mga aaminin sa'yo tong taong to, may mga sasabihin sa'yong sekreto. So, magiging open. Okay, magiging open. The Seven of Swords in reverse. They will not hide, no, kung ano man. Kung yung emosyon ang naka-hide, may chance na pakita sa'yo. I-open sa'yo. Yeah, the Three of Cups in reversed. Ang nakuha ko rito, kukunin nito tiwala mo. Yeah, yun muna. Kukunin niya muna yung tiwala mo. Okay? Magsisimula kayo as friends. Like that. Hanggang sa lumalim. Kasi, yeah, may emosyon sa'yo to. Okay? Nakikita ka nila na pwedeng may potential kami nito eh. Parang ganun. Okay? So, maybe, may confusion siyang naibibigay sa'yo. Okay? Because, yes, hindi sila totally all in, all out. No? Hindi sila ganun. Yeah, the devil. Okay? Be careful, ha? Be careful lang. Kasi, ang nakuha ko dito, they're into you. Okay? They're into you. May chance na makukuha mo or makikita mo na itong taong to is something like a red flag. Pero, sa totoo lang, for me, this is a green flag. Okay? Green flag. Yeah. Hang on. Sandali lang po ha. Okay. So, yung isa pang nakikita ko dito, Pisces, no? Pagdating sa next action niya, ipapakilala ka sa mga friends niya. Okay? May chance sa family. Okay? May ganun. I-open ka niya, or sabihin nating i-welcome ka niya sa environment, kung anong meron siya sa environment niya. Friends, relatives, maybe. May ganun. Okay? So, let's see. Anong advice for you, Pisces? Para dito sa new person na to. Okay. Oops. Okay. Too many. Advice for Pisces para sa new person. Ano ba yan? Nagtatatalon. Oo. The Four of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah, the Justice. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. See? Oh, may maganda. Actually, maganda to. Yeah, the Six of Wands. Okay. So, kung gusto nyo na magkaroon na, ma-work out itong connection na to. Okay? The Four of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords, and the Justice. Just be fair. Magkaroon ng balance sa inyo, lalo na sa komunikasyon. Okay po. Kung ang issue dito is communication, dapat i-address mo sa kanya. Sabihin mo sa kanya kung anong conflict, or sabihin mo sa kanya kung anong nagbibigay ng parang issue dito sa connection nyo na to, or sa mangyaring connection. Okay? Not holding back. Being, sabihin nating open. Okay? Fair, clear. Yeah. Let them know kung anong mga kailangang malaman. Let them know kung anong mga kailangan mong malaman. Okay? Hindi mahirap dito, or hindi mali dito ang magtanong. Yeah. Okay? Kasi magiging open naman siya pagdating sa'yo. Some of them, yeah, see the sun. May potential to, Pisces, sa totoo lang. Okay? May potential ito. I'm seeing marriage here in the, in the future. Yes. Itong new person na to. Kapag marunong kayong maging clear, okay, sa inyo, both sides. Pero syempre, ang nakukuha ko sa taong to, hindi ka naman niya itatago. Okay, hindi ka itatago. Nakita naman natin kanina, the Seven of Swords in reversed. I-welcome ka pa. This is nice. This is nice. Anyway, okay, so let's proceed sa person na iniisip mo ngayon. Okay, the one na nagkaroon na kayo ng connection. Okay, so, or relationship. So, let's see, Pisces, the person on your mind. Let's see. Who is this? The person you're thinking of, okay, thinking about. Pisces, the person on your mind, the Ten of Pentacles. Pwede may anak kayo nito. Okay, pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng relasyon nitong mahaba. Okay, the Ace of Wands. Ito yung taong gusto mong makasama habang buhay, I guess. Okay? Siya yung taong pwedeng kakonect mo ngayon nga. And nakikitaan mo siya ng, sabihin nating, siya yung nakikita mong gusto mong makasama forever and ever. Oo. Okay? Yeah, the Magician. Okay. Some of you, nakakakuha ako ng topic sa inyo about kids. Having a kid, having a child, new baby. Oo. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng itong taong to is buntis. Or pwedeng may buntis. Anyway, okay. Gusto niya magkaanak with you. So, yun. Okay. So, anong sitwasyon nyo ngayon, Pisces? Anong sitwasyon ninyo? The Nine of Wands in reversed. Ooh, there's trust issue. Okay, the Nine of Wands in reversed. The Knight of Swords. Yeah, there's trust issue here. Always may argument, no? Laging may sigawan dito. Laging may away, may gulo. Someone is overthinking. Maybe someone is too afraid. Okay, na makakuha ng attention yung isa. Yeah, the star in reversed. Okay. Meron ditong hindi makatulog. Okay? In general, sabihin natin lagi na lang may issue dito. You don't trust this person, or maybe someone is not trusting the other person. Parang ganyan. Okay? Lagi na lang may agam-agam, may guni-guni. Alam niyo yung TH? Yun. Oo, may TH sa sitwasyon. Ano po yun? Tamang hinala. Okay? Oo. May naghihinala. Meron ditong hindi kayang maging sabihin natin hindi kaya magtiwala. Okay? Like, pwedeng ito yung issue. Someone is like overprotective. Umu-OA na. Sa sobrang ang daming hinala. Okay, I don't know why. The Nine of Wands in reverse is a trust issue. Okay. So, yan ang sitwasyon nyo ngayon. Lagi na lang may naghahanap ng away. Lagi na lang may reading umatake. Anyway. Delulu ang person. Okay, so let's see. Anong emosyon ito for you, Pisces? Anong emosyon itong taong to? Okay, the Two of Cups in reversed. Why is that? So, ang nakukuha ko rito emotionally, nandoon yung gap. Nandoon yung distansya. Narinig ko tong isang info na to, no, na sasabihin ko. Kaya daw laging nag-aaway, kaya daw laging nagsisigawan kasi yung emosyon is malayo. Sabi. Okay? Pero kita nyo yung mga bago pa lang, bagong kasal, mga bagong magjowa, kahit bulungan nagkakarinigan. Why? Because of their emotions. Okay? Nandoon, magkalapit. Yeah, the emotion, the Two of Cups in reversed. Malayo, may agwat. Yeah. Okay. The Two of Cups in reverse, please. Why? The Star. Yeah, something needs to heal. Yeah, the Empress. Meron ditong parang talaga pregnant. Okay? Gustong-gusto ka lang talaga ng taong to. Kaya ganon. Dumarating sa puntong natatakot. May takot siya. Okay? Pwede kasing itong taong to is pregnant. They're pregnant. Okay? May chance na kung anong-anong naiisip. Hindi yun para sa lahat Okay? Okay? In general, itong taong to, gusto ka lang talaga niya. Okay? Ikaw yung forever niya. Parang ganon. So, may takot siya na baka mamaya makuha ka ng iba, makapansin ka ng iba, takot siya dun. Okay? So, kahit sabihin nating gusto ka, yung emosyon, Kung hindi naman ito kayang magtiwala, malayo talaga, no? Magkakaroon talaga ng argument, sigawan, mga ganyan. Okay? So, what else? Ano bang meron sa next action ng taong to? Okay. Next action. The devil. Oh. Why? Why the devil? The judgment. Obsessing over you. Yes. Ito yung dapat niyang ayusin or i-fix sa sarili. Okay, here the 9 of Cups. This is healing. The 8 of Wands reversed. Dinidelay ng taong to. Andun yung sabihin nating marami pa siyang kailangang i-grow, i-improve. Maybe pagdating sa mentalidad, sa emosyon. Okay, being the 9 of Cups, this is emotionally independent. Okay? Parang ganun yun ang kailangan niya pagdating dito. Okay, so maybe the obsession i-heal niya or maybe i-heal niya. Okay, mayroong i-end which is the obsession. This person is obsessed. Pisces, they're obsessed. Okay, outcome. Advice for Pisces. Temperance. Be patient. Be patient. Why? Yeah, the Magician. The 3 of Cups. Yeah, the Page of Wands. This is having, sabihin nating having clean, fresh slate. Okay? Fresh, clean slate. Mga ganyan, okay? So, maraming kailangang i-grow. Maraming kailangang bigyang pansin dito sa sitwasyon nyo na to. Okay? Hindi pwedeng lagi na lang ditong may uunawa. Okay? Kasi kapag laging merong uunawa dito, hindi mag-e-end to. Hindi mag-e-end yung mga issue, hindi mag-e-end yung mga conflicts. Okay? Na kailangang i-heal. Yeah. Okay? Kailangan ditong magkaroon ng parang panibago muli. Kahit magkasama kayo nito, kailangan may mga ayusin para magkaroon ng magandang dalo yung samahan. Magkasama kayo nito actually. Okay? Some of you, if this is someone na talagang pregnant, nandun lang talaga moody sila. Given na yun. Okay? So, just be patient. Okay? So, may ending din naman yun. Oo. Okay? So, there. Yun ang aking nakikita pagdating sa inyong dalawa, nitong taong to. Okay? I don't know. Some of you, kaunti lang makaka-resonate dito kasi this is so specific. Anyway, okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for you, Pisces placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.